Hi everyone, the Hobbyist Vlogs here, and today we will put the DJI Power 2000 with 2048 watt hour at least to a real world scenario. So what we will be doing is to test this device right here in front of me. This is the DJI Power 2000. Okay, and I just fully charged it. We will let it rest for a few minutes, and then what we will be running with it is the modem, any internet or your ISP modem. Then my 500 watt CPU. This is actually a gaming CPU, but at work we will be using it and running multiple servers inside this one, and that will put some load on the CPU and it will draw more power. A 45 watt monitor, HD monitor or 4K monitor, and the Mac Mini. I think it's 40 watts or 45 watts. So yeah, we will exclude the electric fan for now, which can run 40 to 70 watts. What we're trying to do here is to test this DJI Power 2000 in a real world scenario. So if just in case you don't have power at your location and this is your emergency device, it should at least cover, and we will see if this can cover an 8-hour shift, or my 8-hour shift today. So let's go and set it up. So ahead of time, I already configured this, and what I need to do here is turn on the AC, and then that will draw power a little bit. So this is the modem, PLDT modem. It is drawing 9 watts to 12 watts, 40. And my table, okay, electronic table is also booting up now. Let's turn on my PC and turn on my Mac Mini right here. Okay, so you can see it is drawing 148, 145 watts. Okay, and my PC is booting up, same as my Mac Mini. So I'll pause this video and log in first, and I will make this PC run servers within it to put some load on it and see the final power draw that we will be reading on the DJI Power 2000. Okay, so just to show you, my Mac Mini is already running, and my PC as well, and they're both using the same monitor. Okay, if I switch to another port, as you can see right here, I am running multiple servers right there, and my current load together with the modem, ISP modem, and my router, the final power that it is drawing is 141 watts. So approximately it can reach up to 250 to 20 to 220 watts. So I'm not doing gaming right now, so there's also an estimate time below the percentage. I'm not sure if you can see that, but it shows 11 to 12 hours. Okay, so we will revisit the power station later before my shift ends, and I will keep you posted. And right now it's 11th of June, 4:29 p.m. so we will go back and check again around 12:30 midnight the next day, okay, or 12:30 in the morning, and this should actually withstand my 8-hour shift at work. Okay, I'll get back to you guys and keep you posted. Okay guys, so balikan na natin yung power station, and it is already 12 midnight, so it's been running for more than an hour already. Not an hour, sorry, more than 8 hours. So right now it's 12:54 of June 12, and actually based dito sa estimate, it can still run 4 hours, approximately 2 hours, no? 2 to 3 hours. Siyempre, hindi naman natin i-drain yung power station natin. It's not effective for any type of power station na i-drain siya up to or below 15%. So, if the question is this power station can last up to 8 hours or more than 8 hours to cover for your shift when there's power outage, I think this power station proves that it is actually a good power station.